like how it comes with a box that you can keep. Hello and welcome back to the American Watch Collector. As you can see today, we have a special unboxing. It's a Timex Q diver. This is like a $200 quartz watch, and this is probably the most expensive watch that I've ever bought. I don't know if that's good or bad. Let's get right into it. So this white panel right here, I'm just noticing, is not very high quality and definitely not high quality, but I do like the box. I like Timex. Very simple, sleek, sophisticated. Alright, now this is what you get. So this is what I really like. So like kind of a reusable box. So this box right here, this is high quality. I like that. And this, I like how it comes with a box that you can keep. Ooh, that is cool. Or before we get into it, let's read this right here. Q Timex, first released in the 1970s, the original Q Timex gave a new generation, a modern watch with a quartz technology, a natural evolution to our much-loved Q Timex 1979 reissue. This adds bright pops of color to the iconic features of the original: a rotating bezel, woven stainless steel bracelet, functional battery hatch, and domed acrylic crystal. Well, let's open it up and look at it. Okay, so I first want to take a look at the box. So this lifts up so you can put some documents. I guess you could put another band in there or something like that. It has these little elastic straps. I love the box. That's probably my favorite part. No, I'm just kidding. So here is the watch itself. Alright, it's got some dust covers on here. It's pretty dusty. I'll look at it. That is cool. The bezel does not click, unidirectional. That is not very high quality. So just looking at this watch, I am really enjoying it. Although the bezel, I don't like how the bezel doesn't click. The bezel not clicking makes it feel way cheaper. Now, I don't know too much about bezels, but I do know that this is my Invicta Pro Diver watch. I got this for about $50. And this bezel clicks. All of the other watches that I have, bezels also click, except for my $20 Casio plastic diver. But that bezel does not click. It doesn't lock or anything. I don't know. That just feels cheap to me. I got this color. It was on sale. On the back, of course, we got the Timex battery lock. So here it is. I want to try it on the wrist. So here it is on the wrist. This definitely, as I have heard, is an arm hair pincher. And I definitely have felt that only once or twice, though. I do really like the looks of this watch. I like how it's got the day and the date function on there. That is really nice. The Q Timex logo up there. It kind of reminds me, honestly, of the Tissot PRX. That kind of like the just the squarish design up there. I don't know. I like the unibezel. I like the die-color, two colors, whatever. It's got the Mercedes hand without the Mercedes, so it's just a circle hand. Yeah, I really like this watch. Let's do a lume test. So of course we're not in that much of a dark area, but I can already tell that the lume on this watch is really good. Oh yeah, look at that. The lume on this watch will shine bright. And that is what you want in a watch, is it not? I love this watch. I'll do a full in-depth review at a later date. This is just an unboxing video, of course, but I love this watch so far. So far I'd recommend it. I'll put the link for a couple Qs in the description. Remember, those are affiliate links. It's free to use those links. So, Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe.